What's up, guys? Today my video, and let me visit you the Lego train. Then the Lego plane. So I begin to restart again, guys, people. So this person is the train. And this is, I don't know how to turn it off, but if you press the plus here, the lights will get brighter. If I can see, I turn off the lights on the red button right here. That stops the train. If you can see, guys, if I press this plus button, the lights get lighter. And also you can fix, wait, you can see the power on here. Inside there's a big giant thing. There's 10 batteries. There need to be 10 batteries. Also, this guy makes a Y plus. If you want to do this slower, press the minus at the bottom. If you want to do the lights, you would not by just press this minus and this side, and here we go. You want to get away? Here's my copy. That's how it goes. If you want to see it around, here it is. This is how it is going. This is how it is going now. And finished. We're done of the Lego train, guys. So off and off. So guys, next one is the Lego plane. So this is please, and can you see about the front of the train? There's a thing from the plane. So the plane comes up, the rest of the thing goes in here like that. But at the very front, I gotta show something. Our pilots here. Do you want to look at them? If you can see the front of them, they have cool faces. So this is it, and it's even bigger than Oopsie Jet. Just joking, because I broke it. I accidentally broke it, guys.